Time for them to start up again. Never ends. If it's not outside, it's upstairs. When it's not both at the same time. Go ahead and call police. They won't come. I can tell it's going to be one hell of a night tonight, folks. I swear one day I'm going to do a live stream out here. Real soon. Maybe Labor Day. It's a holiday. He'll be sure to have tons of gunfire. There won't be any security or police anywhere to be found. And if you call the police about the gunfire, they'll argue with you and hang up. Even if they can plainly hear it in the background, which I have on tape. I'll look for it and publish it.